Mazdoor Dhaba is an initiative by the civil society people where the students, lawyers, people who are working at the universities and activists, they came together in Delhi NCR. We thought around lockdown we should provide, there will be chaos amongst the labor, there will be food scarcity and everything, lack of employment. So we thought we should provide food to these people who are in scarcity. So that was the initiative we started around lockdown, and now we have expanded into 3 different areas. We have localized the initiative into 3 different areas, where 2 of the dhabas working somewhere else and 1 is the community kitchen working in Subhash Camp Jhuggi. One of the guy from this Jhuggi came in contact with me who wanted food to be delivered here. And then suddenly we started with giving 10 food packets, and then after that we started giving more packets. Later on, as we discussed as a part of our initiative, that these cooking efforts should be localized to see the problem with the corona and the epidemic thing. And then we came to the decision that okay, we can cook here with the help from the volunteers from these 2 jhuggis. And none of the people are paid here. What we're doing is, of course, initially we thought, I don't know if it's going to work or not, but we thought it's worth making an effort. Initially, we thought we're going to make food for these 2 jhuggis, 200 food packets for this one and 150 for that. But while talking to the volunteers and the people from these jhuggis, we came to the ideas like, okay, why don't we cook for other jhuggis as well? One of the volunteers told me that, Bhaiya, jhuggis wala always consider they are the takers, free ration, cheap electricity, free water supply and everything. Why don't we make an effort here to provide food from this jhuggi? I think it captured the moment.
यहाँ पे लॉकडाउन लगा तो यहाँ से पहले दिक्कतें बढ़ती चली गई। पहले 5 हुई, फिर 10, फिर 15, फिर ऐसे बढ़ते बढ़ते काफ़ी लोगों को खाने की दिक्कतें परेशानी पड़ने लगी। फिर भैया से बात हुई, इनका कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर मिला, उनसे बातचीत करके हमने यहाँ पे दिक्कत ज़्यादा बढ़ रही थी तो हमने भैया का नंबर लेके उनसे बात करने के लिए फिर हमने सोचा कि हम क्यों ना हम यहीं पर ही खाना बनाना स्टार्ट कर दें। फिर हमने यहीं खाना बनाना स्टार्ट करा। बनाने के बाद 150 के आसपास हम अपने यहाँ पे बांटते हैं। फिर अदर हमारे यहाँ पे हमसे ज़्यादा गरीब थे जो यहाँ उनके पास पन्नी रहती थी, सिर्फ पन्नियों की झुग्गियाँ डाल रखी थी उन्होंने। तो हम वहाँ गए तो हमने वहाँ देखा तो उन्हें कुछ ज़्यादा ही ज़रूरतें मिली, हमसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरत उन्हें थी तो उन्हें दिया गया। खाना देते देते उनके पास भी 10-20 ऐसे ही स्टार्ट करके उनको भी खाना देने लग गए। फिर हमें और दूसरी जगह पता चला, मादीपुर में हो गया, पंचाई बाग में हो गया, वहाँ जाके हमने फिर और ज़्यादा खाने के इस्तेमाल किया। यहाँ से बनाते हम 700-800 पीस बना के फिर ले जाके फिर उन्हें बांटते हैं। एक टाइम का खाना तो दे ही सकते हैं, तो वो एक टाइम का खाना दिया, हो सकता है आगे चल के हम दोनों टाइम का खाना उन्हें दे सकें।
One thing is we are not making queue and we are not asking people to come to us and make a queue and where we distribute food. What we're doing is we're going to every household and giving food to them. I think it's matter in 2 ways. It's good. One, for the people, it's a matter of dignity for people that we're not doing any charity or any philanthropic work. Second, it's also to see this disease or the epidemic. We don't want to make a chaos, and no matter what you do, I have seen personally anywhere, wherever the people are distributing in queues, it's not making sense. People are not able to make that distance.
नाम है अताउर रहमान। जब से इन्होंने खाना शुरू किया है तब से ऊपर वाले का और इनका भी हम धन्य मानते हैं। खाने में कोई शिकायत नहीं, बहुत बेहतरीन, बहुत अच्छा हम लोग को खाना मिला। मेरे जो भी आदमी हैं सब खुशी है इनसे, इसके लिए हम बहुत धन्यवाद मानते हैं।
The nutrition value of the food, our food is, we collectively decide for 3-4 days. For example, now today we are making ghiya, chana dal and rice, and we keep changing every day, and collectively we decide what do we have to cook and what do we have there. And the duties are allocated to people. So for example, in Jhuggi there is somebody, sabji wala, who brings us sabji. There is a fruit guy vendors who's living in the Jhuggis. He's getting fruit to us. There is a guy, there is a small perchun shop. We buy some stuff from them. So the idea is to keep engaging them. Of course, I mean, part of the Mazdoor Dhaba initiative, it's an important effort to go beyond that, the idea of relief work. So in a sense, to engaging with the people who are here in this Jhuggi, I think that's an important idea.